Good morning dear students. Let us begin our today's science class. We are learning chapter 11, the nature of matter. Today we are going to learn basic properties of matter. Before we learn about the basic properties of matter, let us recap matter. So what do we mean by matter? Anything that has mass and volume is called matter. Means any type of material is matter. All living and non-living things are made up of matter, which is the basic substance of all materials. Now we know that matter has two basic properties. The first one being matter occupies space, and the second property, matter has mass. Let us confirm these properties of matter by few experiments. Let us see experiment number 1. Let us take a glass tumbler and fill it completely with water up to the rim. Now, put some small pieces of stone into the tumbler which is filled with water and give an observation. We observe that the stone pieces have pushed the water out of the tumbler. It means that small stone pieces occupied some space in the tumbler, and we know stone is made up of matter. So this experiment shows that matter occupies space. Now let us do another experiment, experiment 2, for finding another proof of matter. For experiment 2, 2 blocks of wood are taken. One wood block is bigger than the another one. Both wood blocks are kept on the pans of weighing machine. An observation is made. It is observed that the pan with bigger wood block goes down and the pan with smaller wood block rises up. This means that bigger wood block is heavier than the smaller wood block. It is because the quantity of matter in the bigger wood block is more than the smaller one. So, this experiment shows that matter has mass. Now let us learn in which states the matter exists. Matter exists in 3 states. They are solid. Anything in a solid state of matter has a definite shape and volume. A block of wood, a piece of gold biscuit, they both retain their shapes and volumes. Therefore, they are solid. The liquid flows out over the surface because it does not retain its shape. It takes the shape of its container. Anything in a liquid state of matter has a definite volume but does not have a definite shape. Rather, it has an indefinite shape. Gaseous state. If a balloon is filled with air and is pricked, the air will rush out and get spread. Anything in a gaseous state of matter does not have a definite shape or definite volume. We have another 4th state of matter also, known as plasma. Plasma has all the properties of a gas, except that plasma is made up of electrons instead of atoms or molecules. It exists on stars, in nuclear explosions, neon signs, etc. So children, today we learnt about the properties of matter, the state, solid, liquid, gaseous, and the property having space and occupying space, volume and having mass. We will be learning about the properties of solid, liquid and gas in our next class. Thank you, children.